we'll be taking a look at Snapchat Plus and the Best Friends Forever feature. Now, this is a feature exclusive to Snapchat Plus users, and you could access this by tapping on the Snapchat Plus here. So once you tap on the Snapchat Plus, let's actually click on Best Friends Forever. And as you can see here, press and hold a friend for the option to pin them as your BFF. Now, this is only exclusive to Snapchat Plus users. However, the option to pin friends was readily available on iOS devices, so I'm not sure how much of a difference that makes. Now, let's read a little bit more info on this. So as you can see here, how does Best Friends Forever work on Snapchat? So as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can pin your BFF as your #1 best friend and best friends forever. I'm not sure if this will notify your friend that you pinned them as your BFF. Now let's go back and actually test this. So from your chat, you could actually long press on any one of your friends here. So you could simply long press and you'd see the option to pin Hacker007 as your #1 BFFs. Now let's actually do that and let's click on done and let's see what happens. Well, nothing actually changed here. Let me go back. There should be a notification or an emoji indicating that I pinned Hacker007 as my BFF. Maybe I need to close out of the app and then head back in. But that is basically the Best Friends Forever feature in a nutshell. There isn't much to it, but I mean, it is whatever. Android users weren't able to pin persons in their chat. Maybe this is an alternative to actually pin persons in the chat. So thank you for watching. Hope this video is informative. Hacker007 out.